In this video, I will show you exactly how to master Sonda AI to create incredible digital content in just a few minutes. To begin your journey, head over to the official website and sign up for a free account. Once you are logged into the dashboard, you will see a clean interface designed for beginners and pros alike. The first major step is choosing your project type from the main menu. You can start with a blank canvas or use one of the high-quality templates available. After you pick a style, it is time to input your primary prompt. Be specific with your keywords because the AI thrives on detail. Simply type what you imagine and click the Generate button to let the magic happen. You can then use the advanced settings on the right sidebar to tweak the lighting, style, and composition of your results. If you are not satisfied with the first draft, just hit Recreate to get a fresh perspective. Finally, click the Export button to save your work. You are now ready to create like a pro.